So Chuck, you have one of the rarest international harvester tractors in existence. Can you start by telling us what model it is and a little bit about it?
Okay, 7288, and then they only made 19 of them, so it makes them pretty rare.
Do you know why only 19 were produced?
They started making them, and then IH got bought out by Tenneco, and they stopped production.
How did you first learn about the tractor?
When they first came out, yeah, they were pretty popular, but they didn't last long.
Did a lot of people want to find this model?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
they're pretty collectible right now.
Can you tell us a story about how you came to own it?
I was seeing it in an auction ad. It was on a farm sale. We went over, looked at it, and decided, well, maybe we could see if we could bring it home.
Was there a particular feature about this model that stood out to you?
It just, the 2+2s came out in 70, 79, 78, and always liked those. We've had one since then, so been around them.
How long did you actively use the tractor before you decided to park it?
Oh, we use it off and on. We never really parked it. We just keep it in the shed when we're not using it and try and get it out once in a while.
Has anyone ever made you an offer to buy it from you?
No. No.
Would you ever sell it? You got a big enough deal?
No, I haven't considered it. No.
It's estimated to be about $100,000 to $150,000. You agree to that price, or do you think it's priceless to you?
Well, I've heard of that, but it don't matter to me. I don't pay attention to it. It is what everybody wants to get for it.
Yeah. What does the tractor represent to your family?
Everybody likes it. It's a good, nice collector's item, and it's pretty unique to have one.
I've heard that your family, you guys are big Case IH or IH enthusiasts. What's the story behind that?
I've been around them IH ever since I can remember. My grandfather farmed with IH, and I was around the farm all the time, so just kind of grew up with it. And then I used to work at a dealership for a while, and that was more influence.
If you could send a message to other IH fans about this tractor, what would you want to say?
Well, if you could find one and can afford it, get it.
Well, is there anything else you'd like to share about this tractor or its history or what it means to you?
Oh, I don't know, just the way they are, I like them, I guess. I don't know, what do you think? Good?
Pretty neat being a rare tractor, rare collector's tractor.
Yeah.
Not very many made. It's
Oh, yeah.
interesting to see people come over and find out that you actually have one, and their jaw drops.
Yeah.
Are people pretty surprised when they come and see that you have
Yeah.
this?
We had two guys from Canada calling and flew down here to see it, but they were down for another reason too, but they wanted to stop in and see it, so it was kind of cool.
Do you know where any of the other 18 are?
I know where a few of them are.
Yeah, any close?
There's a couple of them pretty close.
Well, thank you guys.